Hello art enthusiasts, and welcome back to another video by lsartconsulting, the premier division of frameworks. Today's video is about the incredible capabilities of the CNC Router. Assisting as our own personal carving machine, our CNC can turn nothing into anything, a slab of wood into a masterpiece, or a panel of starboard into a grand art piece, or some plexi pieces into unique signage. The possibilities are truly never-ending. Wood is a popular carving substrate. The endless color and shade options make it a very interesting and unique natural substrate. A few examples of our wooden masterpieces include this towering sculpture we fabricated for a hotel. Each panel was selected, carved, and stained by our team. Another large project was fabricating wall and ceiling designs for a commercial office space. There's no such thing as limits with lsartconsulting. These panels were absolutely huge, and we took on the challenge and executed it perfectly. The CNC machine makes it look effortless, but the technicalities behind coding each shape takes time and talent from our team. Here's a few other wooden examples we've done for different clients. Another popular substrate used for carving is plexi, or acrylic. Its surface makes a smooth and seamless carving, leaving endless options for art designs. Here's a layered plexi piece we fabricated to resemble a 3D version of abstract pop art. Here's a few more CNC plexi examples. A recent substrate we've explored with is starboard, the substrate used when building boats. It's sleek, weatherproof, and as smooth as butter. We've created a few art pieces with this, ranging from large layered and then framed pieces, to intricate and small decor items, to bordering ginormous panels for overwater bungalows at a Caribbean resort. Creativity is unlimited when it comes to working with starboard. We've even used the CNC to precisely cut fine art paper for a recurring commercial project. We use the CNC to carve intricate leaf and plant patterns into fine art paper that we've strategically painted or dyed. Layers and layers are laid down to form a unique collage. These endless opportunities are waiting for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with another video. As always, be limitless. Goodbye.